the turn of last century, America was being put on wheels, and Henry Ford really more responsible than anybody else. But there was a segment of the population that wanted something more. They wanted something with luxury and prestige, a status symbol.
Approximately 365 Marmon Sixteens were produced, and approximately 70 of them exist today. What set Marmon apart was their use of aluminum for construction. The Marmon 16 was about 1,500 pounds lighter than its competition. Also, the engine in the Marmon 16 was made out of aluminum, which made it about 500 pounds less than the competitors' engines. The Greg Dawson Marmon 16 collection has 4 of the best examples of Marmon 16s known to exist. There's 4 different body styles, the most desirable being the convertible rumble seat coupe, a 4-door convertible sedan, a 2-door 5-passenger Victoria, and a 7-passenger limousine.
Marmons themselves individually are considered to be the holy grail of the big classics in the pre-war era. This is really going to make a splash.